Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The excitement is building as the world of compact cameras eagerly awaits DJI's next groundbreaking release. The DJI Pocket 4. Known for revolutionizing pocket-sized videography, DJI is poised to raise the bar once again in 2025. The Pocket 4 is set to deliver an impressive combination of power, portability, and cutting-edge features, making it a must-have for casual content creators and professional videographers alike. Today, we'll take an in-depth look at what makes this device a potential game-changer and how it elevates everything great about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Design and build quality. The DJI Pocket 4 continues the legacy of excellence in compact filmmaking, offering an ultra-portable yet high-performance camera experience. However, this latest iteration introduces thoughtful design changes that enhance both comfort and functionality. According to recent leaks, the Pocket 4 will be slightly larger than its predecessor, measuring 140 by 43 by 35 mm. This slight size increase allows DJI to integrate improved hardware, including an upgraded gimbal and a more advanced display. Despite the increase in dimensions, it remains pocket-friendly, maintaining its reputation as a portable powerhouse. One of the standout rumored features is the inclusion of a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen with a resolution of 480 by 880 pixels and a peak brightness of 800 nits. This upgrade enhances usability in bright outdoor conditions, providing a more user-friendly interface for vloggers and filmmakers on the go. The larger, brighter display simplifies shot framing and quick adjustments, making it essential for creators who demand precision and flexibility in their work. The ergonomic improvements go beyond the display, offering a more comfortable grip and intuitive controls that make extended filming sessions feel natural. Whether you're capturing spontaneous vlogs or working on cinematic projects, the design enhancements of the Pocket 4 are tailored to optimize the filming experience. Camera performance. Under the hood, the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to feature a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor, a major upgrade over the Pocket 3, boasting a 12-megapixel resolution. This advanced sensor is expected to deliver sharper images, enhanced low-light performance, and greater detail in various lighting conditions. The 20mm f/2.0 lens further enhances dynamic range and color accuracy, ensuring lifelike visuals that make the Pocket 4 a top choice for creators looking for professional-grade quality in a compact form factor. When it comes to video capabilities, the DJI Pocket 4 takes things to the next level. Leaks suggest it will support 4K video recording at up to 240 frames per second, doubling the frame rate of the Pocket 3's 120 FPS. This higher frame rate unlocks new creative possibilities, especially for filmmakers who want ultra-smooth slow-motion footage. Additionally, the Pocket 4 is expected to include 10-bit color profiles, such as D-Log-M and HDR modes, providing greater flexibility in post-production and enabling creators to capture footage with exceptional depth and richness. Stabilization and tracking. Stabilization has always been a hallmark of DJI's Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to feature an upgraded 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This improvement ensures ultra-smooth footage, even during fast-paced action scenes, making it perfect for vloggers, sports enthusiasts, and adventure filmmakers. Whether you're running, biking, or filming handheld, the stabilization system guarantees professional-grade results without the need for extra equipment. Another exciting addition is the introduction of Active Track 7.0, an enhanced tracking system that includes face detection, eye tracking, and improved subject prediction. These upgrades make the Pocket 4 ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects with incredible precision, making it a great choice for action-packed vlogs, sports content, and dynamic filming scenarios. Accessories and audio. In terms of accessories, the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to offer a wide range of options to cater to various creative needs. Anticipated accessories include external battery packs for extended shooting sessions, waterproof cases for underwater filming, ND filters for professional exposure control, advanced mounting solutions for versatile setups. Audio quality is also a key focus, with the Pocket 4 rumored to feature an upgraded 3-microphone array. This new system offers better wind noise reduction and stereo sound recording, ensuring clear, immersive audio straight from the camera. For vloggers and interviewers, the ability to connect external microphones or DJI's wireless audio systems adds even more versatility, allowing for professional-grade sound capture in any setting. Battery life and charging. Battery life and charging efficiency are crucial for content creators who spend hours filming, and the DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to excel in both areas. While the Pocket 3 provided up to 166 minutes of 4K recording, the Pocket 4 is expected to extend this to nearly 200 minutes. Additionally, charging is set to be faster and more efficient with DJI's proprietary PD charger, potentially reducing the full charging time to just 25 minutes. This feature makes the Pocket 4 an ideal companion for on-the-go creators who need to maximize their shooting time. Release date and pricing. Following DJI's typical 3-year product cycle, the Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2025. This timeline gives DJI ample opportunity to refine its features and perfect the device before release. When it comes to pricing, leaks suggest that the Pocket 4 will see a modest increase from the Pocket 3's base price of $539, with estimates indicating that the standard edition could start at $699, while the Creator Combo could be priced around $799. These prices reflect the advanced capabilities and premium features of the new model. Conclusion. For budget-conscious creators, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 remains an excellent choice. However, for those seeking cutting-edge performance, next-level features, and superior video capabilities, the DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the ultimate option. With its advanced sensor, improved stabilization, enhanced video features, and versatile accessory ecosystem, the Pocket 4 is set to make a major impact on the compact camera market in 2025. Whether you're a casual vlogger or a professional filmmaker, the DJI Pocket 4 promises to meet a wide range of creative needs with its unmatched combination of portability and power. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.